Hello everyone, I'm Devin with Vive Health, bringing you another assembly video. Today's video will cover assembling and adjusting the Vive wheelchair rollator. Included with your wheelchair rollator, you will find the rollator frame and pre-installed elastic strap loop, the brake system composed of 2 rear wheel assemblies and 2 hand grip assemblies, 2 front wheel assemblies, 2 adjustable footrests, 4 screw knobs, 1 rollator bag with strap, and 1 cane holder cup. Step 1. This is how you will find the Vive wheelchair rollator as it comes out of the box. If the backrest here is in place in front of the front seat pegs, you can just rotate that back so that you can access the elastic strap here. Unwrap the elastic strap from one of the 2 front seat pegs, but not the other. You'll leave that in place in case you ever need to fold up the rollator again. Once that's free, lift, spread apart. You can push down to unfold the frame. Step 2. Now that we have the rollator frame unfolded, we'll remove the 4 screw knobs from the frame and set them aside. You'll find them here, in the back, and on the opposite sides. Step 3. Turn the rollator frame over so that you can access the circular sockets for the front wheel assemblies. Step 4, now that the frame is turned over and we can access the circular sockets here, you'll fit one of the front wheel assemblies into the socket and make sure that the screw hole here is in line with the screw hole from the screw knob that we removed earlier. So we'll fit that in. I've got the wheel here with the reflectors so that they face out from the frame. Fit that in like there. Take one of the screw knobs that we removed earlier, fit that back in, tighten it down securely. Now you'll do the same here on the other side with the other circular socket and wheel assembly. Step 5. We'll turn the rollator frame over so that we can access the oval sockets to install the rear wheel assemblies. Step 6, we will install the rear wheel assembly into the oval socket here on the back of the rollator frame. You'll fit the assembly in, you'll pinch the 2 locking pins and push down until those 2 locking pins pop into place here. You'll then take one of the screw knobs that we removed before, fit that into the hole here, and tighten that down. And you'll follow the same process here on the other side to install the other rear wheel assembly. Step 7, stand the rollator up on its 4 wheels so that we can install the cane holder cup. It attaches with the bracket here, down onto the little peg, and clicks into place. Step 8, we'll fit one of the footrests down onto the pins toward the lower leg. The footrest can fold open. Fit the bracket down and onto those pegs. Rotate forward until the silver latch locks into place. You'll install the same on the other side, and that'll rotate forward, and the footrest will be attached fairly easily. Step 9. Now that we've fit the footrests onto the frame, we can fold the footrests aside using the silver clasps here so that we can install the bag onto the seat pegs here. So pull that lever, rotate these to the side, You can lock them into the brackets on the side if you wish. You have the bag here, and you'll attach that using the strap loops here and here. Bring those over and around. Fit them in place there. You can use the Velcro straps here to attach the bag to the frame if you wish. You can adjust the fit of the backrest if it's being used as a transport chair or just as a standard rollator. Put the footrests back in place. And that's all there is to it. Thanks so much for watching our video. If you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below with any questions you might have.